Hello, we've got another problem. We've got a Kenmore branded Whirlpool built dishwasher. Tenant reported the unit wasn't heating, so property management maintenance tech came out, replaced the element. I don't know if the old element was good or bad, but on Whirlpool built GWS dishwashers, their control board will lock out the heat if it detects a heating problem, real or imagined. So we're going to go into diagnostic mode. We're going to count the blinky blinks in just a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So that means the control has a stored F7E1 software heating disabled by software error. And the only thing we have to do to clear it is step through. We're going to disregard that. Okay, I had to know. We had an F6E6 nuisance error stored for low incoming water temperature. We are going to press and hold. Once we're blinking on one of the lights that isn't complete, we're going to press and hold options. Press start. And it's going to run through its cycle. It's going to heat. We're going to verify that. And we will have resolved the software bug. Okay, now we see the element is heating. We're on the blue wire white tracer. Drawing. Yep. 5 to 7 amps. Current's going down as it heats up. Now we're in the drying phase. I'm going to give it just a minute or two. I am taking my amp clamp with me because I am a professional and I have never left an amp clamp under a dishwasher. Certainly haven't done it every 6 months or so. And now we can hear the element is hot. So hot you can't even hear the sizzle, but it is. There we go, there's some proof. Now you know.